Saturday to get ready. Alright, so if you're just watching this video, I was just warning 200 or 400 homeless people that live in this homeless encampment. Not only will it be raining, it will be windy, but temperatures will also be low. It'll be cold. So there is a huge chance of hypothermia. And the announcement that I just made with my megaphone was just to help warn or prepare some of them, because likely no one else is. There is a chance this area will flood from the rising river levels. Even if it doesn't, it will be a nightmare, and it will continue to get wet, get muddy, be really difficult for the people living in this community to make it through this next storm. Tonight, I'm going to drive around distributing trash bag rain jackets to some of the homeless people in my community. I'm doing this project because it's a humanitarian crisis of homelessness throughout California, Northern California, Oregon, Washington, and the homeless people shouldn't have to suffer. They don't need to suffer. So I'm doing this project to help alleviate suffering. I'm going to do it as safely and cautiously as possible. The next 3 days are going to be very, very difficult for people. There's a huge risk of hypothermia. Would you two like some trash bag rain jackets because of this storm coming in? You're welcome.
Trash bags are always freaking useful anyway.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty serious. You guys know it's coming in a few hours, right? Starting at 3 or 4. So
oh my God.
It's going to be, and it's not going to let up until Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday.
Started to get our truck out of here.
Yeah, try to figure everything out quick. Don't mess around. Yeah, see ya. Sunday, but Monday, wind speeds are going to top, 15, 18 miles an hour. And that is not including wind gusts. And of course, that's not factoring in wind chill. So this woman's coming over. She is 82 years old, and she sleeps on this bench. So it's horrible. So these trash bag rain jackets are pre-cut. So all you got to do is open it up. There's already a hole in it for your head and your arms. So you just open that up and put it on, okay? Just like a jacket.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. I would, as soon as it starts raining at 3 in the morning, try to go under this overhang, okay? In this doorway, because you don't want to get wet. It's going to rain for... Yeah, just go under the doorway as soon as it starts raining. It's going to be really cold and windy for the next, 3 or 4 days. Excuse me, would you like a trash bag rain jacket for the storm coming through?
Yeah.
It's going to be really bad over the next few days, 3 days. You know that, right? You know about the storm?
No.
Okay, it's going to start raining in a few hours. It's going to start raining really bad at maybe 9 or 10 in the morning, and it's not going to let up for 3 days, okay? 8 or 9 in the morning, it's going to be raining a lot for 3 days. So put that on, make sure you don't get... Yeah, I know, nobody knows. But put that on and don't get wet at all, because if you get wet...
My friend or something?
Yeah, just figure out what you're doing in the next couple hours, okay? Because... Yeah, cool. So that's another person that didn't know about the storm.